Throughout history, humans have developed bizarre and shocking fertility rituals driven by desperation and a lack of scientific understanding. These ancient practices reveal the extreme lengths people went to in their quest for children. Ancient Egyptians developed one of the earliest pregnancy tests around 1350 BCE. Women would urinate on wheat and barley seeds. If the wheat grew, they believed the baby would be female. If barley grew, the baby would be male. Remarkably, modern science has found some validity in this ancient practice. Estrogen levels in pregnant women's urine can indeed affect seed germination, making this one of the earliest scientifically backed fertility tests. In ancient Rome, the festival of Lupercalia involved priests called Luperci who would sacrifice goats and dogs. They would then cut strips from the goat skins and run through the streets, striking women with these bloody strips. Women would actually line up to be struck by these goat skin strips, believing it would ensure fertility and make childbirth easier. This violent ritual was considered a blessing and continued for centuries. The Kanam Matsuri in Japan, also known as the Festival of the Steel Phallus, originated from a legend about a woman who had a demon living in her vagina that would bite off men's penises on their wedding night. According to legend, a clever blacksmith forged an iron penis that broke the demon's teeth when it tried to bite, finally freeing the woman. This festival celebrates fertility, protection against sexually transmitted diseases, and marital harmony. These bizarre fertility practices highlight the extreme lengths humans have gone to in their quest for children. Driven by desperation and a lack of scientific understanding, ancient civilizations developed rituals that seem shocking today, but represented hope and faith in their time. The 20th century marked a revolutionary shift in fertility treatment, moving from ancient superstitions to rigorous scientific methods. This transformation would lead to breakthroughs that seemed impossible just decades earlier. In the 1950s, Dr. Bruno Lunenfeld, an Italian endocrinologist, made a discovery that would change fertility medicine forever. Working in his laboratory, he identified a powerful hormone in an unexpected source. Dr. Lunenfeld discovered that the urine of postmenopausal women contained high levels of human menopausal gonadotropin, or HMG. This hormone could stimulate ovulation in women struggling with infertility. But where could Dr. Lunenfeld find a reliable source of this precious hormone? The answer came from an unlikely partnership with Italian convents. Postmenopausal nuns became the key to this medical breakthrough. The scale of this operation was extraordinary. Over 30,000 liters of what researchers jokingly called holy pee were collected from nuns across Italy. This massive undertaking would yield enough hormone to create the world's first fertility drug. From this enormous collection, Dr. Lunenfeld and his team developed Pergon, the first modern fertility drug. This breakthrough marked the beginning of scientific fertility treatment, replacing centuries of folk remedies with evidence-based medicine. Pergon's success paved the way for even greater breakthroughs. In the 1970s, British scientists Patrick Steptoe and Robert Edwards began working on a revolutionary procedure, in vitro fertilization, or IVF. On July 25, 1978, medical history was made. Louise Brown became the world's first baby born through IVF, earning her the nickname test tube baby. Her birth proved that human life could begin outside the womb, opening doors for millions of couples struggling with infertility. Louise Brown's birth marked the end of an era of superstition and the beginning of modern reproductive medicine. Today, over 8 million babies have been born through IVF worldwide, all thanks to the groundbreaking work that began with nun urine and culminated in the miracle of test tube babies.